Hi, I'm Corrin with Thompson RV in Pendleton, Oregon. Today I'm here to show you a Backcountry Series 28 DBS. We've been getting a lot of requests for YouTube videos on specific floor plans. For those of you who can't walk through one, we're going to do a walkthrough today of the interior of the 28 DBS. So the Backcountry Series, as you may already know, is the more off-grid series from Outdoors RV. 100 gallons of water, solar panel, 170 watt solar panels already installed on the roof, onboard Onan generator, already has the 4 battery rack installed. So there's quite a few options that make this really great for boondocking because you pretty much have all your power that you're going to need. Of course, you can add more solar panels to the existing roof panel. But basically, this is a great off-grid vehicle, and they make it in a bunk bed model, which has been one of our #1 selling floor plans for families. Even people that have hunting buddies that want to come with them, because it has the big size bunks in the back. It's great for even adults to sleep in the bunk beds. So I'm going to show you the bunk bed. On the outside, they have the big door that opens up so you can store things from the exterior. And then I'll take you inside and show you the floor plan. Okay, so specific to the bunk bed floor plans in the Outdoors RV models, not just the Backcountry Series, but all across the board, is you have this exterior door that allows you to get to the bunks, flip up the bottom bunk, and then you have a bunch of storage in here. So anything big that you want to take that you don't want to load in the back of your pickup, you can actually put right in here. And here we are on the interior of the Backcountry 28 DBS. This has been a very popular floor plan. One of the reasons is because in a lot of bunk bed models, you don't get a lot of counter space. This particular model, you have a lot of extra counter space, which then you also have a lot of extra cabinets for food storage. You've got a bank of 3 drawers right here. You've got the spice rack. You have the knife rack behind the stove. They've gone to the glass top range, which gives you extra counter space when you're not using the stove. They've also gone to a single basin farm style sink with the solid surface countertop sink covers. In the bottom of the sink, they even do the wire rack to protect the bottom of the sink, which is a really nice feature. The faucet, of course, has the pull-out faucet on it. A lot of bunk bed models, one of the main problems is that you have these bunks for your children, so you can take kids along, but there's nowhere to store their stuff, so they can't bring much, or they have to have their duffel bags up on top of the bunk beds. So this particular model, you have a very nice closet here for all of your extra hanging space. It's a very tall closet, so if you have things hanging, you also have room to set stuff in the bottom. You also have a couple of drawers here for, again, you could use it for whatever, but it's mainly a wardrobe for the bunk beds. So then you've also got, these are almost a full size, so 50 by 74, so just shy of a full size bed. 2 adults can sleep comfortably here. Obviously kids and, kids can bring friends or whatever. So there's plenty of sleeping space. With an extra storage here at the foot of the bunks. And it does come with a ladder. All of the Outdoors RV models come with the new mountain dinette. This is no exception. So it has the big mountain dinette, which also makes into a bed. And I want to say, it's almost a 7-foot long bed. So you can sleep an adult here as well if you would like. They've gone to the slow rise blackout shades on the Backcountry. You have drawers underneath the mountain dinette, and they're a very big drawer, so they come all the way out. There is a little space on the other side that you can get to if you take apart the dinette, and that you can, obviously it's not something you're going to get to all the time, but you do have that extra space there for storing things. They come standard with the the sleeper sofa, but we've been optioning in the theater seating. That's a new feature that we've been doing through the factory. We can do it here as well, but we can now option it in at the factory. If you don't need the extra sleeping, obviously because you have bunk beds, you have the mountain dinette to sleep at, the theater seating with the recliners is a much more comfortable option. And then if we pan around over here, we've got the TV. This is on a swing arm, so you can bring it around so you can see it a little bit better. The DVD player, it's also a Bluetooth stereo. Speakers throughout the ceiling. You also have speakers outside. You just need to remember to turn those off if you are watching a movie so that your neighbors don't have to listen to your movie. But yeah, so that's the main interior living part of the Backcountry Series, and now I'll show you the bathroom and the bedroom. So one thing that's really popular about the Backcountry 28 DBS is the mudroom door. So you've got an entry door from the outside that comes directly into the bathroom. That way, if your kids need to come in and use the facilities, they don't have to traipse through the whole trailer. Okay, in the master bedroom on the 28 DBS, you have entry from both sides of the bed, and you get 2 sliding wooden doors. So not just a flimsy curtain separating you from the rest of the trailer, you actually get a wooden door. You also have a TV location. If you want to put in an optional TV, you've got that on the slide outside of the trailer. You have the pistol safe next to the bed. The charge controller for the solar panel goes above the bed. You've got 2 reading lights this year. We option in the MaxxAir Deluxe vent fan, so that's the remote for the MaxxAir fans. We option that in on all of our trailers. We feel that they're that necessary. And if you aren't quite positive what that is, we have another YouTube video that you can check out that explains what the MaxxAir Deluxe vent fans are. Okay, and that's the 28 DBS Backcountry Series. If there are any other models specifically that you would like a video done on, feel free to shoot us an email or message us about the specific floor plan that you'd like more information on, and just let us know. Thanks!